Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1998. So let's start. Occlude and occult. Occlude means to block or obstruct, preventing the passage or flow of something. यानी रोकना, किसी चीज़ के गुजरने या बहाव को रोकना. Its synonyms are block, obstruct, close and impede. Example sentences: The dentist used a separate material to occlude the gap between the patient's teeth. Occult. It means hidden, secret or mysterious, often associated with supernatural or mystical phenomena. यानी पुशीदा, खुफिया या पुरस्रार, अक्सर माफूकुल फितरत या सूफियाना मज़ाहिर से वाबस्ता होता है. Its synonyms are mystical, esoteric, mysterious and hidden. Example sentences: The old book contained occult knowledge about ancient rituals and mystical symbols. Practical and practicable. Practical means pertaining to actual use or application, useful in practice, concerned with the actual doing or use of something rather than with theory or ideas. यानी असल इस्तेमाल से मुतालिक, अमली तौर पर मुफीद, नज़रियात के बजाय किसी चीज़ के हकीकी काम या इस्तेमाल से मुतालिक. Its synonyms are realistic, functional and feasible. Example sentences: The new time-saving technique proved to be a practical solution for our daily workflow. Practicable. It means capable of being done, put into practice or carried out successfully. यानी करने के काबिल, अमल में लाना या कामयाबी से अंजाम देना. Its synonyms are achievable, viable and workable. Example sentences: While the ambitious project seemed challenging at first, the team discovered a practicable approach to meet the deadlines. Raise and raise. This raise means to lift or elevate something to a higher position, to bring up or nurture. यानी किसी चीज़ को बुलंद मुकाम पर उठाना या बुलंद करना या परवरिश करना. Its synonyms are lift, elevate and promote. Example sentences: He decided to raise the flag to commemorate the special occasion. Raise. This raise means to completely destroy or level something, especially a building or structure. यानी किसी चीज़ को मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह करना या बराबर करना. एक चीज़ तभी लेवल या बराबर हो सकता है जब मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह किया जाए, ख़ास तौर पर इमारत या ढांचा. Its synonyms are demolish, flatten and destroy. Example sentences: The old factory was razed to make way for a new residential development. Canon and canon. This canon denotes a general rule, principle or standard accepted as authentic or valid. यानी ये एक आम उसूल या मेयार की निशानदेही करता है जिसे मुस्तनद या दुरुस्त तस्लीम किया जाता है. Its synonyms are principle, rule, law, tenet, precept, formula or standard. Example sentences: The appointment violated the canons of fair play and equal opportunity. Canon. It means a large caliber gun, typically mounted on wheels, used for warfare or ceremonial purposes. यानी इसका मतलब है एक बड़ी कैलिबर वाली बंदूक जो आम तौर पर पहियों पे नस्ब होती है, जंग या रस्मी मकासद के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है, मतलब तोप वगैरह. Its synonyms are artillery, gun, howitzer and mortar. Example sentences: The historic fortress displayed several antique cannons showcasing the military history of the region. Avenge and revenge. Avenge means to punish a wrong with the idea of seeing justice done. यानी इसका मतलब है किसी गलत को इंसाफ होते हुए देखने के ख्याल से सज़ा देना. Its synonyms are retaliate, vindicate, redress. Example sentences: The hero sought to avenge his fallen comrades by defeating the villain responsible for their demise. Revenge. It means the act of inflicting harm or punishment on someone as retribution for a perceived wrongdoing or injury. यानी किसी समझे गए गलत काम या चूट के बदले के तौर पर किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाने या सज़ा देने का अमल. Its synonyms are retribution, retaliation, and vengeance. Example sentences: consumed by anger, he plotted his revenge against those who betrayed him. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.